Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. We are on ticket 5, day number 6 of this 30-day challenge of ticket a day. We are doing a whole pack of these cash explosions, $600 worth. It's simply reveal a money bag, win $100 instantly, reveal a 20x, win 20 times that prize, or match your winning numbers to your numbers. And it says you could win up to 25 times. That would be pretty insane. Let's go see if we can do it. 41, 2, 28, 34, 7, 43, 49 are our winning numbers. I'm gonna flip the coin over for good luck. My pretty cool Lugia coin. See if it'll bring us some good luck here. 28, so we are starting off with a win. Pretty awesome. 28, let's do this. 35, bummer, I thought it was gonna be the manual win all, I guess not. We did match 7 though, pretty cool. We did match 2, so we got 3 out of the 4 so far. Let's keep this going. 47, we missed 47. 23, we missed 23. We missed 8. Oh, look at that. Nice little 20x symbol here. So this should be hopefully a good one. Let's keep on going. 43, we did match 43. Awesome. 50, no match on 50. 40, no match on 40. No match on 3. No match on 9. We did get 49 though. Awesome. Let's keep it up. Come on. No match on 18. We did get 41. Awesome. So, I know how every scratcher has a lucky number. I believe my lucky number is 41 because I have hit $5,000 on this cash explosion matching on 41. Then I hit $500 on 41. So it's safe to say that 41 to me is a lucky number. So we got 44, nothing. 4, nothing. We did get another 49. Awesome. 22. 37. 17. 2 numbers left. 45 and the last one. 29, so no match on the last one, but look at this. Looks pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and start with this 20x. Let's hope that it's at least 20x10. If it's a 20x10, this is $500. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. So that is $200 right there. So awesome. And let's go to 28, which is 30 bucks under there. 35, nothing. 7 had 40 underneath. Number 2 had 10 bucks. Let's see what else here matched. 8, no. 43 didn't match. 20 bucks under 43. Clean up the ticket a little bit so we can see a little better. It looks like, let's see, 9, no, 49. 49, a nice little $50 right there. 41. And look at that, guys. I called it. 41 is my lucky number because there's $100 underneath there. That is pretty awesome. So let's see here, 49, another 50 bucks under that one. 37, 17, 45.29. I believe if I didn't miss anything, that is everything here. So what an awesome hit. Look at that. That is a $500 winner on ticket number 5. So cool. Such an awesome hit. Well, we have plenty more tickets to go, guys. So please subscribe. Hopefully we get more hitters like this. And yeah, please have a good night. I know I will after this hit. Thanks again. Good night.